the QNE AI Cloud Accounting tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to use our drag and drop column features on the transactions page to enhance your experience. Customizing your columns and adding new fields lets you quickly access important information, streamline your workflow, and make better decisions. Let's start by navigating to the transactions page. For this example, we'll use Sales Invoices to demonstrate how you can customize your column layout. On the Sales Invoices page, you'll see the column headers at the top of your grid. To rearrange the columns, simply click and hold the header of the column you want to move. Drag it to your preferred position and release to drop it. Your columns will instantly adjust to reflect the new order, allowing you to organize your view just the way you like it. That's not all. You can also add new fields to your grid. To do this, click on the Column Options button. A list of available fields will appear. For example, if you want to display the tax amount column, simply tick the box next to tax amount and then click Apply Options. Your grid will update to include the new field, giving you a more comprehensive view of your sales invoices. If you want to reset your layout, click the Column Options button again, then select the Reset button. You'll see three options. Reset column visibility. This will revert the columns to their default visibility settings, hiding or showing columns as originally set. Reset column position. This option will restore the original order of your columns, undoing any rearrangements you've made. Reset all. This will apply both visibility and position resets, bringing your layout back to its default state. Choose the option that best fits your needs to quickly restore your grid to its default settings. Customizing your column layout and adding new fields is a great way to streamline your workflow and enhance your experience in QNE AI Cloud Accounting. Enjoy a more tailored view and make data-driven decisions with ease. Thank you for choosing QNE AI Cloud Accounting. For more tutorials and support, visit our website or contact customer service. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.